Welcome to the forefront of innovation. Our world is brimming with challenges that await ingenious solutions. At Francis Tuttle, our computer-aided design and drafting program is the gateway to turning ideas into reality. You'll find the tools, guidance, and flexibility required to hone your skills and open up a world of creative possibilities. Using the latest technology, students work in a virtual landscape where you can draw, edit, and visualize your designs and bring them to life. You'll work with expert instructors to develop projects that reflect your pride and professionalism. Our program isn't just about keeping pace, it's about setting the standard and raising the bar. In an age of ever-evolving technology, we don't just adapt, we innovate. We nurture the future pioneers of an industry driven by bold thinkers and creative minds. We're Francis Tuttle, and we're committed to giving Oklahomans a jumpstart on their journey into the future.